Say hi, Ali. How are you? I miss you. Yes. So, there's Dallas. Good morning. He's such a cute doggy, but he likes to play and run.
Hemos ayudado paso a paso a nuestros clientes después de un accidente. Lo ayudan, te consigue un abogado que tenga las
So Dallas, say hi. He's really, really, really tired.
Accidente, rebalón o caída, una sola llamada. 1-800-562-9832. ¿Desea comprar un auto? El mejor lugar para comprar es CarMax.com. En CarMax.com usted puede comparar características, precios y más en miles de autos y camiones usados de alta calidad en nuestro inventario nacional. Incluso se puede trasladar la mayoría de los vehículos al CarMax más cercano a usted. Puede haber cargos adicionales. Es la forma sencilla de ver los precios reales, numerosas fotografías y encontrar el auto perfecto para usted. Regístrese en CarMax.com y comience a comprar hoy mismo. CarMax, la mejor forma de comprar un auto. This segment brought to you by Best Buy. Get unbeatable prices on portable GPS systems from Garmin, Magellan, and TomTom with Best Buy's extended price match guarantee. See store for details. Shop our great selections at your local Best Buy store or online at bestbuy.com. And we'll ship it to you every day during the holidays.
This is his favorite corner. He always sit over here in this little spot. He's really, really hilarious.
So right now I'm with Dallas. I decided to take him at the park since I haven't been here with him. And he deserves to have some fun, right? But we don't know where to go because there's people and I want to get him out of his leash so I can throw the football. Because he loves to play the football. So right now we're just walking to see where should we go. I'm trying to play catch with Dallas, but it doesn't seem like he wants to play as much. Dallas! Dallas, go get it! Go get it! See, he doesn't get it. I don't know what to do. All he does is pee. Dallas! Let this dog out of the leash. This is what he does. I'll be back. Look at him chasing the raccoons. Poor babies. Ah! They didn't do anything. Sorry, raccoon. Hey, you're so cute. Look how cute he is. I'll take him away. Dallas! No. No, Dallas. You don't bite raccoons. Raccoons are adorable. Ugh. This dog is crazy.